You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. The top word is pronounced as mess. Mess. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned, tons more at the end of this video. The bottom word is mass, so it's a more open A sound as opposed to an E sound. Top word mess, as in this is a real mess. Mess. The bottom word mass. Mass, as in the mass of an object. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.